Bitter. This is a hot lot. Bitter.
Here it is, the new project, T6.1. Got a little bit of damage, Copart Chester. Just want to give a shout out to Ben Chambers Recovery. We had a right gang getting this off the back of the trailer. Trying to get on the skates, kept slipping off. But he persisted, we got it off and we got it on the ramp. Yeah, give him a shout if you need any recoveries. Also, don't forget, give us a subscribe guys, help us out. Happy days. Yeah, so the damage, there's a lot of suspension damage really. Looks to me like it's possibly gone over an island or an edge, a curb, something like that, where the wheels have literally been impacted and hit back towards the sill. It's broke the lower arms, ripped the drive shafts out, snapped the track rod ends, tie rods. We've got some damage there to the outer flitch. The door and the wing is damaged. Luckily we've got away with the bonnet. Headlight's damaged. The headlight would be savable, but obviously we'd probably buy them as a pair aftermarket. Wing's damaged, same again with this side, it's more or less identical damage. Door, sill area, drive shaft lower arm, same again. And yeah, airbag kit has gone off, which is a shame because it's going to need a dashboard, steering wheel airbag, and the seat belts have deployed. So what I'll do, I'll pop you back on the tool trolley and I'll start stripping. Well people, we got it, a lot of it stripped down front end wise, so I'll run you through what we've got stripped off, what damage we've found, yeah, and we'll take it from there. So the top half of the front panel's off because the passenger side was damaged. Both headlights are damaged unfortunately. Wheel arch liner, this side I've removed to uncover this box section. Has actually pulled from the original spot welds, so that can actually just be replaced. It is a box which then comes this way, where the outer flitch and then comes down to meet that, where we'll have to unpick all that, weld the new piece in, and then see what the inner piece is like, if it's salvageable or if we have to replace that as well. This looks like a plastic box that covers the ECU and electrics, so that's one of the next things to take apart to be replaced, but thankfully there's no actual chassis leg damage at all, and this side hasn't been touched at all, it is straight. So yeah, I'll carry on stripping. So now I'm going to tackle some of the underneath, get the drive shaft out, lower arm out, tracker end, anything bent or broke I'm going to remove. Same again on the other side. Just want to try and get a parts list together and buy majority of you at once, just to try and make your life easier, to be honest. All the damaged suspensions now took off, so I'll flip the camera around and show you. Ball joint removed, lower arms removed, left the drive shaft cupping until I've got the new drive shafts, same with the tow rod. I'm going to replace it but stay in there until I've got the new one. Subframe actually looks okay, same this side, drive shafts out, ball joints, lower arm, and I got the same again, stop the tow rod. Drop links are off, needs a new disc, heat shields, but we'll be putting a big brake kit on this. So here's a couple of the suspension components which are broken, obviously on impact. We've got the lower arms, they've literally just snapped in half. There's the ball joint sections. Toy rod tracker ends are snapped clean off, along with the drop links. Also the drive shafts have been ripped out the cups, so we'll just replace the complete drive shafts rather than chancing trying to repair them. When bidding on this van, my biggest worry was, is the engine okay? Has it hit the subframe? As you've already seen the pictures of the Copart ad, the car was on the floor, so we don't know if it'd been over an island or anything like that. Would it have took the sump out? It also said the van was a non-runner, but we've had it running, it does run. We've got a bit of an oil leak here, which is a common problem on the transporters. It's just going to be a crank seal. But as you can see, all subframe and everything is okay. The sump is okay. Yeah, it ain't as bad as I initially thought. We're going to change the outer inner toy rods, head tracker ends. We're going to bolt it all up so we can throw up the ramp. Right, so a little rundown of some of the bits we're going to need. We're going to need full airbag kit, dashboard, steering wheel airbag, seat belts. We need 2 doors, we need a wing mirror, front panel, 2 wings, headlights, a bumper. But obviously the motto is if something's broke, we upgrade it, so we'll be changing the lights, changing the bumper, possibly wheels and suspension also. And we need 2 cuts off a van to replace the outer sill sections, possibly the inners on the damaged areas. So that's what we're going to show you for now. We've got a couple of bits. I'm going to get the suspension bits put on just so I can free up the ramp and be able to move it, but we'll show you that in the next video.